Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So into the video. Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Classic candles, the centerpiece. Arrange red and golden candles in the center of your table, around them with pins, holly leaves and tiny ornaments. Add fairy lights for that magical holiday glow. Mini Christmas tree. Place a small tabletop Christmas tree in a decorative pot with the mini bubbles, ribbon and snowflakes. It's become the perfect festive centerpiece for cozy dinners. And snow jar centerpiece, fill jar with fake snow, pins and tiny stars. Warp the top and with red bow, simple and charming decoration. And candle magic. Fill a glass bowl with water and red berries and rosemary. Then place candles on top when it's give off a soft, elegant glow, perfect for evening gathering. Viewers, ornaments fill glass vase, fill tall vase with colorful ornaments and lights. It streak brights and looks stunning on both dining and coffee tables. Light and glow centerpiece. Place a candle inside which is large and around by pinecone and snow. It's been a cozy, warm farmhouse vibe to your holiday decoration. Christmas centerpiece. Tray display. Use a tray filled with a mini Christmas tree, pincones, bells and candles. It's add layer to your table decoration, perfect for small space. And viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel.